A spicy, juicy kebab that tastes incredible when grilled over charcoal. One of the most famous Turkish kebabs, Adana Kebab. We need minced meat, garlic, onion, spices, and some fresh herbs. Grate the onion and add it to the ground meat along with the chopped garlic and spices. Then start kneading everything together. If you are grinding the meat yourself, use a mix of beef lamb. It's important to knead completely for 10 minutes and then let it rest for 2 hours in the fridge. Now take a handful of the meat, place it on the skewer, and gently spread it evenly along the length of the skewer. You can cook it on the stove or in a pan, but cooking it over charcoal gives the kebab a unique flavor. Place the skewers on the grill and gently fan the coals. Grilled tomatoes and peppers go perfectly with the kebab. Serve it with bread or rice. Turkey has so many amazing foods and beautiful places. Afiyet soon. If you enjoyed this recipe, make sure to check out my previous cooking videos. This week, I'm going to explore some famous places in Turkey. And don't forget to subscribe so you don't miss the next adventure.